Evans yn eich mani, tuag at y post un pella ar beidiau wych gan y golwr Crydd isel gan Evans. Y golwr Luke Rees gan blaen i fysydd iddi i throi ar y postyn. O Baslac gan pres, Lewis Rees yn brasgamu mlaen. Tuag at y Cwrt Cosby yn opsiwn i'r chwith yn Harry Owen. O, sy'n cwrs Motyn yn fanna. Na, gos, nath i ora i aros ar ei draed. Mae'r dyfarnwr Thomas Owen yn y fan ar lle. Lewis, uniongyrchol tuag at Vincent. Wyniad ymlaen tuag at Elliot Evans yn y Cwrt Cosby. Evans ar ergyd, uniongyrchol gan Met Caerdydd. A mae Elliot Evans yn sgorio i drydydd gol o'r tymor. Yn ôl yn y tîm ar ôl gwaharddiad. Gol hen ffasiwn oedd hwnna. Rees, ddim yn cam sefyll. Mae ar ei drwyd chwith. O, mae'n bas da i Harry Owen cyfle am yr ail o'r noson i Met Caerdydd. Gwaith gwych gan Lewis Rees tro yma ar bas. Tu mewn i'r amddiffynwr i frasgam Harry Owen. A mae Harry Owen i rhwydo i gol gynta o'r tymor. Bright. Groesiad ddifn i mewn. Patton ymlaen i McLagan. Craven. Tomlinson dan bwysa. Blaid ar groesiad ar draws y cwrt chwech. A no, i rwydo i gol gyntaf yn uwch gyngre'r Cymru. Callum Huggins. Gol gysur. Ta llyged yn obaith i dîm Steve Jenkins. Met Caerdydd 2, y Barri 1.
200th league start tonight, a goal and 3 points.
Yeah, good night. I think obviously Barri were decent first half, caused us a few problems. We weren't at the races, but obviously the early goal early in the second half, really helped us to kick on.
Yeah, and your goal, great first touch and a clinical finish.
If we do go direct into Tom, obviously with his height, he was getting a bit of joy winning the flick-ons, and if the strikers got a little bit closer together, those type of movements would be there for the third man run, and yeah, obviously pleased with the finish as well.
I don't think we got out of second gear in the first half. We spoke about at half time, a couple of things we need to change, and in fairness, the boys have reacted really, really well, and 2 very, very good goals. So, credit to Barri, they played very, very well first half. But yeah, in the second half, I think going forward we had a little bit too much, and we did well just to kind of see it out in the end.
First 10 minutes of the second half cost us because I felt we dominated first half. In terms of possession, but also entries in around their final third, balls across the box. We looked a far, far more dangerous team. But then that 10-minute spell where we concede on the first minute of the second half has cost us. Because apart from that 10-minute spell, they weren't a threat at all.